Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I am back with another trigger scenario based questions. So let's discuss our scenario first. Write a trigger to update account priority to high if any related opportunity amount exceeds 10k. So without wasting more time, let's start our coding. So this is my developer console. I have created one class named opportunity helper. Now I will be create one method like public static void opportunity like update priority with list of opportunity. I'll be pass name OBP list. Here, first of all, collect account IDs. For that purpose, I will be define here set of IDs name ACC IDs equal to new set of ID. And now iterate through the opportunity list name OPP list. Now if OPP dot account ID not equal to null, then push ACC dot add into OPP dot account ID. Means all account IDs will be added into my ACC IDs, and outside the for loop, now define here set of ID with high value account IDs equal to new set of IDs. So here I will be collect all my account IDs which amount will be greater than 10k. So for that purpose, I'll be right here for opportunity with OPP and name. Here write the SOQL query. Select account ID amount from opportunity where account ID in ACC IDs and my amount greater than 10k. And now here high value account IDs dot add OPP dot account ID. And now outside the for loop here the mistake one semicolon. So now define one list of account with ACC list equal to new list of account, and here write for account with ACC and write the SOQL query select ID comma priority from account where ID in my high values account IDs. And now ACC dot priorities equal to high and write ACC list dot add ACC, and outside the for loop check if not ACC list means my ACC list is not empty, then what I will be do only update ACC list Now save it. And now I will be define here trigger. Means when my trigger will be actually performed, when I will be insert or update. So that purpose I have write here after insert and after update, and here first of all write the class name like opportunity helper and dot my method name, and I will be pass here Trigger.new, and always make sure this will be executed only for after insert and after update event. So for that purpose I will be write here logic if trigger dot is after and trigger dot is insert or trigger dot is update. And now save this. So this is my trigger class and this is my helper class. So now time to testing. So this is my org, and here first of all I will be create one opportunity. Which opportunity? Which has already account. So for that purpose I will be first of all create one new account, name high priority, and here I will be give the account number. Now save it. For same account I will be create one opportunity, name test, and here so now first of all check my account priority field. So here first of all check my priority field. This is my priority field, account priority. This is already null. So now I will be insert one opportunity with greater 10K value. Test. Now my value 12K and stage is prospecting. Now save it. Now I will be check. Now my code is working fine. Account priority is high. Now for the next step, again I'll be create another account, name low priority, rating hot. Now save it. And here create one opportunity with low priority, means low amount. So first of all I will be check here my account field opportunity account. Here my account opportunity is null. So now I will be create one related opportunity which will be less than 10K. Now check what will be happen. Test to amount 900 and stage name prospecting and my close date 8th. And now save it. Now I will be check my account opportunity. Here my account priority is null. So my code is working fine. So now I will be update it. So what will be update? For opportunity I will be update amount from 900 to like 13K and save it. Now I will be check my account priority. Like account priority is high, so my code is working fine for both after insert and after update event. So if you found my video is helpful, please subscribe and like my YouTube channel. I will be back with more scenario based questions. Thanks for watching.